In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install fonts in Adobe Premiere. Whether you're new to video editing or are looking to personalize your projects with unique typography, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, we'll need to download a font that interests you. There are numerous sites out there to explore, but a popular choice is DaFont. It's user-friendly and offers a wide selection of fonts, from decorative ones to clean and professional looks. After navigating to your font site of choice, take a moment to browse through the variety of options available. Once you find a font that captures the style you're aiming for in your video project, go ahead and click Download. In this example, we'll be downloading the Malaris font. You'll notice that the file typically downloads as a compressed zip file, which is common for font packages. After downloading, locate the zip file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click to open the file and you'll see the font itself, often in a TTF or OTF format. Click on the font file, and you should see a preview window pop up with an Install button. Click Install, and your system will automatically integrate the font into its library, making it available for various applications, including Adobe Premiere. Once your fancy new font is installed, it's time to get back into Adobe Premiere. Launch the program and have your project open. From here, navigate to the Effect Control tab. This is where a lot of the customization magic happens. Below the graphics section, you'll notice an arrow labeled Text. It's your gateway to text modifications and customization. Click this arrow to expand the text editing options. Within this text section, you'll spot a font drop-down menu. This menu enables you to browse through all the fonts installed on your system. Search through these options until you find the font you just installed. When you find it, select it, and you'll see your text in the project area reflect this stylish new change instantly. Doesn't it just give your project that extra bit of flair and personality? And there you go. Your newly downloaded and installed font should now appear within Adobe Premiere, ready for you to use. With just a few steps, you've indeed enhanced the creative possibilities of your video project. Remember, adding unique fonts can significantly impact your video's aesthetic, making it more engaging and professionally polished. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helps you bring your creative visions to life. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments. Until next time, happy editing!